Well, so here we are out at the park. It's a beautiful day in Tucson, Arizona, and Daryl came into town from California, and we're going to sit here and we're going to fly. What's the helicopter we're going to fly today? An Outrage G5. So here we go. Oh my God, dude. Holy shit. The wind doesn't even phase it. Nice.
Sounds wicked.
I love those loops. That is so cool. I would love to be able to do that. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. Oh, look at that bank. Holy smokes, man. Whoa.
I lost it. You just did a snap roll.
I'd rather watch it than freaking film it.
You want me to film it?
It's hard to, yeah, it's hard to keep an eye on.
You know, I'm just pointing with my eye. You know, so I can watch it and kind of.
Make a noise.
Nice. Nice. Beautiful flight, Daryl.
That's a great heli.
That was awesome, man. God, that was incredible. And that's the first time I've ever seen a 3D helicopter fly in person ever.
Someone flying 3D.
That was incredible. That was so cool. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Wow. Now there you go. That's flying for you folks right there.
Yeah.